Hi, I'm Lexi. Do you know who Uncle Sam is? Let's find out and learn some more name idioms. Number 1. Jack of all trades, master of none. It means skilled in many areas but expert in none. Example, my neighbor's a jack of all trades, master of none. Great at gardening, cooking, and DIY, but calls pros for the tricky bits. Number 2. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry. It means ordinary people or everyone in general. Example, the free concert drew every Tom, Dick, and Harry from the neighborhood. Number 3. Smart Alec. It means an annoying know-it-all who shows off. Example, don't be such a smart Alec, just answer the question. Number 4. In like Flynn. It means easily successful or accepted. Example, with her charm, she got the promotion in like Flynn. Number 5. Achilles' heel. It means a critical weakness despite strengths. Example, despite his talent, stage fright is his Achilles' heel. Number 6. Rich as Croesus. It means extremely wealthy. Example, after the startup sold, he was rich as Croesus. Number 7. As old as Methuselah. It means very ancient or extremely old. Example, that family recipe is as old as Methuselah. Number 8. The life of Riley. It means a carefree, luxurious life with no worries. Example, retired early, he's living the life of Riley now. Number 9. For Pete's sake. It means exclamation of frustration or impatience. Example, for Pete's sake, turn down that music. Number 10. Uncle Sam. It means the US government or America personified. Example, Uncle Sam wants you to pay your taxes on time. Hey friends, we crushed those 10 name idioms today. Jack of all trades to Uncle Sam. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane for more such idioms.